sea level. The average level of the surface of the ocean, also called mean sea level. Sea level. The average level of the ocean, sea level. Sea level. The average level, sea level. The average level of the surface of the ocean, also called as mean sea level. Point is the meeting point of two or more rivers. Resilience, the capacity to meet challenges, adapt to them, or overcome them. Resilience. Resilience. The capacity to meet resilience. The capacity to meet challenges and difficulties, adapt to them. Resilience. The capacity to meet challenges and difficulties, adapt to them or overcome them. Sediments, particles of rock, sand, and sea. What are the major types of landforms and their significance to life and culture? Landforms can be broadly classified into three categories. Mountains. They provide minerals. They provide resources like water, minerals, and are culturally significant for tourism and religious places. Mountains. Landforms can be landforms can be broadly classified into three categories. Mountains. They are rich mountains. Mountains. They provide resources like water, minerals, and are culturally significant for tourism and religious places. Their plateaus. They offer opportunities for mining and grazing, but less suitable for agriculture. They are well suited for agriculture due to fertility and soil. It supports large population and fishing opportunities. What are the major types of landforms and their significance to life and culture? Landforms can be broadly classified into three categories. Mountains. They provide resources like water, minerals, and are culturally significant for tourism and religious places. Plateaus. They offer opportunities for mining and grazing, but less suitable for agriculture. Plains. Well, they are well suited for agriculture due to fertility and soil. This supports large population and fishing opportunities. What are the challenges and opportunities of life associated with each landform? Mountain. Tourism, pilgrimage, water resources, different time for agriculture and transport, natural disasters such as landslide and heat waves, plateau, rich in minerals, suitable for grazing, rocky terrain, limited agriculture, plain, fertile soil for agriculture, variety of flora and fauna, fishing and river navigation, home floods. What are the challenges and opportunities of life associated with each landform? Mountains, tourism, pilgrimage, and water resources. Different terrain for agriculture and transport. Natural disasters such as landslide can take place. Plateaus, rich in minerals, suitable for grazing. Rocky terrain, limited agriculture. Plain, fertile soil for agriculture, variety of flora and fauna, fishing and river navigation. Prone to floods. What are the challenges and opportunities of life associated with each landform? What are the challenges and opportunities of life associated with each landform? Mountains, tourism, pilgrimage, and water resources. Different terrain for agriculture and transport. Natural disasters such as landslide can take place. Plateaus, rich in minerals, suitable for grazing. Rocky terrain, limited agriculture. Plains, fertile soil for agriculture, variety of flora and fauna. Fishing and river navigation. Prone to floods. List a few famous pilgrimage spots in India along with landforms where they are found. Some famous pilgrimage spots of India are Amarnath Mountain, Vaishno Devi Mountain, Golden Temple Plains, Haridwar Plains, Ayodhya Plains, Shivji Nashik, Shivji Battle Nashik. These are few famous pilgrimage spots in India along with landforms where they are found. Some famous pilgrimage spots of India are Amarnath Mountain, Vaishno Devi Mountain, Golden Temple Plains, Ayodhya Plains, Haridwar Plains, Nashik Plateau, and Shirdi Plateau. Can you give examples of river sources of confluence from your region that are regarded as sacred by community? Gangu, origin place of river Ganga. Yamunoti, origin place of Yamuna. Allahabad, confluence of Ganga, Yamuna, and Saraswati. Devprayag, confluence of Alkananda and Bhagirathi. Can you give examples of river sources of confluence from your region that are regarded as sacred by community? Yamunoti, origin place of river Ganga. Yamunoti, origin place of Yamuna. Allahabad, confluence of Ganga, Yamuna, and Saraswati. Devprayag, confluence of Alkananda and Bhagirathi. Names of popular tourist places of India and identify the category of landform that are associated with. Some popular tourist destinations of India and their landforms are as follows. Some popular tourist destinations of India. Some popular tourist destinations of India and their landforms are as follows. Lake or desert. Mussoorie, lake or desert. Mussoorie, mountain. Thar, hot desert. Kochi, sea coast. Varanasi, plain. These are popular tourist places of India and identify the category of landform that they are associated with. Some popular tourist destinations of India, along with their landforms, are as follows: lake or desert, Mussoorie Mountains, lake or desert, Mussoorie Mountain, hard safari, hot desert, Kochi seacoast, Varanasi plains. Typical challenges that people living in mountain may face. Discuss why, despite many such challenges, people still choose to live in mountains. Challenges that people may face living in mountains are: whether it's very harsh in mountains, there are more chances of wildlife. At higher altitude, air becomes thinner and pressure of oxygen decreases. That makes breathing difficult. Due to steep slopes, it makes travel and road building harsh. Due to steep slopes, it's difficult to construct houses on mountains. The big few challenges that people living in mountain may face. Discuss why, despite many such challenges, people continue to live in mountains. Challenges that people may face living in mountains are as follows: whether very harsh in mountain, there are more chances of wildlife. At higher altitude, pressure of oxygen decreases. That makes breathing difficult. Due to steep slopes, it is difficult to travel. Due to steep slopes, it is difficult to travel and road building harsh. Due to steep slopes, it makes travel and road building harsh. At higher altitude, air becomes thinner and pressure of oxygen decreases. That makes breathing difficult. Due to steep slopes, it makes travel and road building harsh. Due to steep slopes, it is difficult to construct houses on mountains. Write down the characteristic features of plateaus. Due to steep slopes, it is difficult to construct houses on mountains. Plateaus are rich in minerals. They have more or less flat surface. Mining is a major activity on plateaus. They are known as storehouses of minerals. Write down the characteristic features of plateaus. Plateaus are known as storehouses of minerals. Write down the characteristic features of plateaus. Plateaus are rich in minerals. They have more or less flat surface. They are called storehouses of minerals. Mining is the major activity on plateaus.
Kan tummiyo banje. Aina live thaba. Tumbasi utkena ko. Tummi lau yung lau ne. Lai ama ani yengame do dum sakre. Moi yeng bu nuai to ai tu nuai ba. Charlie je kan ui ba ni. Belai ma me chung chidro. Is shandana ka to jo. Ise. Chale jo. Tumni ngabani moi. Tuman gira jiro. Chale jo. Nuksi to tap tai char ka tumni. Mami cho. Charlie. Kem ga tau ti ma di.
Tàu lắm nhưng mà tôi thiền Rồi bù thêm yếu tố duyên.
Về lại là chích thủy ngay liền. Ok, bye bye.